guys, it is night, but I feel like I need to share this video, and my lighting is not proper, but guys, do not worry, I am working on it. I do have lightings, I just need to set it up so that I can understand how everything works. But then in today's video, guys, I want to prove to you that you can actually buy stocks for 3 rand. Why would you want to do that? Most of the time we have money lying in our accounts and we feel like, okay, it's just 5 rand, or it's just $1, or it's just $2, or it's just 10 rand, and we feel like we cannot buy anything. Guys, use that money to buy stocks. So I am going to show you how to do that. Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is lindyshirries. In this channel we make money online and we do crypto and stocks. And in today's video I'm going to show you how to buy stocks with just 3 rand. And I'm also going to show you how to find these stocks, select the right ones so that you can invest for future. You can do this for you or you can do this for your kids, but investing in stocks is like planting a seed that will grow one day and benefit you. Without wasting time, let's go to my laptop. If you do not have an account on Equity, go create one. The link will be on the bio. Then you need to log into your account after creating an account, and then this is the dashboard. And as you can see also on Equities, I have 3 rand and I can use this to buy. You can also buy USD shares. You can also buy TFSA. So now let's just go and deposit money for in case if you do not have money in this account. You click those 3 lines, you click deposits, and after clicking deposit, it will give you options to deposit the money. Do remember the reference is your own. Don't copy mine. So as you can see, if you have an ABSA, you'll have an account. If you have a Capitec account, there's a special way to deposit. So you can do it directly from your Capitec app. Open your app and click explore and click live better. At the top you will see this widget. So when you click here, it will link to your bank account. That way every time you want to buy, you won't need to struggle. So you can just click open or link an account, meaning you're linking your Capitec account so that you can just transfer, accept the terms and conditions, and after accepting terms and conditions, it will take you to Equity, and then this is where you use the same logins to log into your account so that it gets connected to your Capitec account, and then you click log on. So once you click log on, it will connect from Capitec app and you'll be able to just transfer the money, and then you click allow. So this is how you connect your account. So let's go back and see other accounts. If you use NetBank, this is what you're going to use. Remember, the reference must be the one that you see in your screen. Standard Bank, you use that account. So you basically select your account. So let's go back to Equities. So you click there. Now we're going to buy, and then when you get here, we're going to buy Equities, and you can buy other ETFs and equities. So top 40, this is selected by Equity. So you would see that there's different types of companies that are listed here. So I'm just going to select Capitec so that you see which one. So right now it is 8:20 in the evening, so the JSE is closed. So you buy now, but then it will be processed tomorrow. So as you can see, with 3 rand I do get a portion of Capitec shares. I become a shareholder. So these 2 options that you see, the first one is you are buying now with the market price, meaning right now whatever the price it is. But if you select the limit one, let's say you want to buy when the price drop, then you can select that one. So with ETFs and ETNs as well, you would see something like this. But remember, the video said if you want to buy S&P 500, so you go back to Equities. At the bottom, you will see Thrive, and then you will see S&P 500. So these are top 500 companies that you can buy. So there's also Nasdaq 100. So I'm going to select S&P 500 because that's what I want to start buying, guys. That's small. Do not get bored because you're only buying with 3 rand. The fact is you are buying something that is growing. As you can see, back in the years it was 39, now it's 104. With Capitec shares it's even worse, but then I like S&P 500 because it's always growing, guys. 3 rand, and then you specify, and then you click buy at the bottom. Remember the limit and market. I'm going to select market and then buy at open. So congratulations, now I do have shares in SF3 S&P 500. So this is my certificate. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.